here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to get some awesome beach waves. And obviously I do have in my extensions today because I wanted to show you guys this look with long hair. If you guys want to see this look with short hair, go ahead and leave that in the comments below and I will be making sure to do that tutorial for you guys if you want to see it. In the meantime, let's get to work. Alright guys, the first thing I did when I got out of the shower after I washed my hair was I put a heat protectant on. My hair is over processed, obviously I'm blonde. I want to protect my hair as much as possible and keep the integrity of the hair while using hot tools. The second thing I'm going to do, I'm going to spray all over with a texturizer, and in this case I'm using Fave 4 Hair Texture Takeover. It is my jam. Alright, and I'm just going to kind of spray this all over. Next thing you're going to need is obviously some sort of hot tool. My favorite go-to hot tool is this 1.5-inch barrel Hot Tools curling iron. It is my jam. Glorious. And it's pink. Come on. It goes up to 450 degrees. I obviously don't need it that hot. And the first thing I'm going to do with my hair is I'm going to go ahead and section it. And all I do to do that is part it down the middle and bring the sides around. So I have two sections, one on either side of my head. From there, I'm going to take subsections that are going to be 1 inch to 1.5 inches big, and I just start grabbing with my fingers anywhere. No rhyme or reason to this really. The more random, the more textured and tousled it's going to look. So I'm just going to start by taking my inch section. I'm going to start halfway through the shaft and I'm going to take it all the way down to the base of the curling iron. My clamp is facing forward and I'm going to go ahead and give that one whole rotation so my clamp is back in the front. I'm going to give it a second. And I'm going to let this hair at the top here go ahead and just slide right off that barrel. I'm going to slide down about 1/2 inch or so and make one other whole rotation so my clamp again is facing forward. And I'm going to just repeat. Slide that hair off the top of that curling iron. Slide it down. One whole rotation. I like to leave the ends out. I like to leave about 1 inch or 2 at the bottom and leave it straight. That really helps with the texture. Makes it look a little bit more messy, which I totally dig. And voila. Alright guys, so obviously yes, I'm wearing my extensions and yes, my hair is relatively short. It's just a little bit past my jaw. So my tip to give a seamless blend with your extensions with these beach waves is to not take the curling iron all the way up to the root. I like to stay halfway and then work my way down that way. That way my hair stays straight and blends seamlessly into the extensions. Also, another tip is do not comb out these curls until they've completely cooled, thus giving you a long-lasting look to last y'all through the night. So that is how I get my textured beachy waves in my long hair. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set this with some Workable Wear hairspray by Fave 4 by just spraying it all over, and I kind of crunch it up in my hands. And it just keeps getting bigger and bigger. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this little video on how to get your hair beachy and beach ready since warm weather is on the horizon. I would crack myself up. Oh my god. Thank you again as always for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever it is you do on YouTube. I don't know, I'm still learning. I'm new here, so let me know what you guys would like to see next, and I hope you really enjoy this. See you next time.